Greece is a land of seas and mountains. The sea and the mountains play an important role in the civilization, history and economy of the country. Talking about some interesting facts about Greece. Greece is an island nation. It has sea on 3 sides and land on 1 side. Greece is home to at least 1,000 large islands. About 80% of Greece is mountainous. The highest mountain in Greece is 9,800 feet high. The population of Greece was about 5.11 million in 2012. Greece is the official language of the country Greek, which has been spoken here for 500 years. The currency here is euro, and this country is a member of the European Union. Greece is one of these countries, where the number of airports is quite high. At present, 8% of the world's marble is arriving from Greece. The Greek flag has 2 colors, white and blue. The white color represents freedom while the blue color represents the oceans. The national sport of Greece is football, which is currently popular all over the world. About 10% of people in Greece are unemployed. In addition, Greek citizens spend 10% of their income on the taxes. But in return, the government provides them with free hospital facilities.